Today, I'm going to show you how to accept secure payments directly on your WordPress.com site, and here's the best part. You don't need a full online store, just a simple payment button. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a custom payment option for your website visitors, whether you want to sell products, accept donations, or even set up subscriptions. This is perfect for bloggers, artists, nonprofits, coaches, anyone who wants to get paid with less hassle. Let's jump right in and get your payment system set up. First, you'll want to open the WordPress.com editor on the page or post where you want your payment button to appear. Look for the little plus symbol. It's usually in the top left or within the content area. Go ahead and click that plus icon to open the block menu. Now in the search bar, type payment buttons. Sometimes features get updated or renamed, but as of now, that's the block we're looking for. Once you see it pop up, click it, and you'll see a payment button block added right to your page. Think of these blocks like Lego pieces for your site. They let you snap in functionality wherever you need it. Once your payment button block is placed, let's make it truly yours. Click into the button text. You might want to write something clear like buy now, donate, or subscribe. Try to pick wording that tells your visitors exactly what to expect when they click. Underneath, you'll see options to set up your payment plan. You can choose between a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. Recurring is perfect if you offer memberships, services, or anything ongoing, while one-time is great for products or one-off donations. Enter in your desired price and take a moment to consider the amount. For example, if you're a yoga teacher offering drop-in Zoom classes, you might enter $10 and label the button "Book this class." Or if you're fundraising, perhaps donate $20 makes sense. Clear wording and the right amount make visitors more comfortable going through with the payment. Next is where the magic happens. We need to link your Stripe account for secure transactions. Stripe is one of the most trusted online payment processors, and linking an account is totally free. When prompted in WordPress, click the option to connect Stripe. There may be a few quick steps, like logging in or creating a new Stripe account if you don't have one yet. Don't worry if this part sounds intimidating. Just follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve verifying your email and sometimes connecting your bank details. WordPress won't store your actual payment info. It's handled entirely by Stripe, so it's secure and reliable. If you have any questions as you go, it's totally normal to check the links provided. Give yourself a moment here. Connecting the finances is a big deal, and it's okay if it takes a few extra minutes. Once you're connected, you're on the home stretch. All you need to do now is publish your page or post. Find the Publish button in the top right and click it. Once your changes go live, visit your site as a regular visitor would and check out your new payment button. Try clicking it to check the flow, though you'll only be able to fully test the process with real payment accounts. Your visitors will now see a sleek, professional-looking button that allows them to pay you directly. No complicated shopping cart, no plugins, no fuss. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've enabled payments right on your WordPress.com site. If you found this helpful, please tap the like button. And if you have any questions or hit any snags, feel free to leave a comment below. I read them and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.